Welcome back to day 2 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. If you are just tuning in here on this second day, to catch you up, I asked AI to create a realistic 30-day spring cleaning schedule that I printed out so I will not lose focus. I'm not super great with routines and schedules that I create myself. I'm working on it, but I'm just not there yet. So AI was very helpful here. It created a accurate, realistic, bite-sized spring cleaning schedule for me as a work-at-home, homeschooling mom of 4 children, ages 7, 5, 3, and 11 months. It was really important for me to not get overwhelmed with all of the spring cleaning that needs to be done. I want my house to be cleaned top to bottom, side to side, every inch of my home to be cleaned before the super nice weather comes here in May. So I will be posting a video every single day throughout the month of April following this spring cleaning schedule that AI has generated for me. These videos will range from shorter videos to videos on the longer side, like 20 minutes or so, depending on what we're doing on each day. I will be throwing in different things that I need to get done. For example, today, we didn't finish yesterday unboxing my Caraway pots and pans and bakeware, so I do have a few more boxes to unbox here that I'm going to throw in today. But on day 2, our main focus is deep cleaning the dishwasher, deep cleaning the countertops. So rather than just like wiping around things, I'm going to move things out of the way. I don't know if you do that, but I typically just like wipe around the things that are on my counter. Today I will be moving them out of the way, deep cleaning that, and it says to scrub the sink. I'm also going to add in here wiping the outside of the cabinets down. Yesterday our main goal was cleaning and decluttering the inside of the cabinets, so today I'm just going to give the outside of the cabinets a good wipe down. If you're not already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Let's get this spring cleaning done together. Here is day 2. Adeline is right here having a little snack if you hear her banging on her tray or making any noises. Also, my dishwasher is running and it's a little bit noisy. I wanted to run the cycle that's in there before deep cleaning the dishwasher because there were already dirty dishes in it. But obviously cleaning the countertop is a daily, if not a multiple times a day routine. But have you ever looked underneath your countertop? Because I just did that like last week or so and I was like, oh my gosh, that is disgusting and definitely part of my spring cleaning routine every year. I know this is a little bit of a weird angle, but I wanted to show you before I clean it because it will be a little bit difficult to film down here, but I wanted you to see exactly how disgusting it is. I could not believe this when I saw it. The only reason I'm not cleaning this machine out is because appliance day is tomorrow. Time for more unboxing here. I have 2 boxes right next to the kitchen island, and then there's one more in the garage that's just too heavy for me to pick up. So I may just open these 2 right now and then go get the other one tomorrow, or have Rob get it tomorrow for me and bring it in the house. I'm not really sure what's in that one in the garage. It's been a while since I ordered these. Like I mentioned yesterday, the reason I haven't opened them yet is because I wanted to declutter and clean out my kitchen cabinets before adding new stuff in them. We did that yesterday, so we're continuing to unbox these today. I keep looking at these things that are on and in the pans and on the lids because they are really soft so they don't scratch the pan, which I think is really cool. This is a cleaning eraser. I got one yesterday, and if you want to see what I got yesterday, you'll have to watch yesterday's video, but I did get these in a lighter color, and they can get stains from the flames and being in the sink, different things, so the eraser should take the stains off. I understand they're not going to stay in perfect condition, but if you care for them how you should care for them, then they should stay in pretty good condition. A lot of the more negative reviews were, I feel like, from people who really didn't take good care of them, which I do plan on doing. Otherwise, I would not have gotten so many of them. And who knows if that is actually true or not. Like I said in yesterday's video, I will update you in a few years once I have had plenty of time to break these in. I certainly don't want to recommend them yet because I've never even cooked with them yet. So I'm certainly not saying that, but I will update you in a few years when the time has come and show you how they have kept up. This set came with a Dutch oven, a saucepan, a fry pan, and a saute pan. I think this is the saute and this is the fry pan. That's what this set came with. I believe in here is lid storage. What's in here? In this little box came all of the organizers for the pots and pans, and I'm assuming in this box right here is the lids and the organizer for the lids. I know I mentioned in yesterday's video, but I'm not washing any of these first. I'm just gonna put them away and wash them as I pull them out to use them. trying to figure out exactly what is in the caraway box in the garage because I feel like that's everything I ordered. It also came with a utensil set, or not that, it came with a like kitchen gadget set as a free gift with my order, and I didn't know I had to redeem it. I thought it just automatically came with it, so I did reach out and they are sending that. Okay, I figured it out. It is definitely the squareware set, so it's just a set of 4 square pans. Thankfully, they don't need too much room because I'm pretty much running out of room here, but we're gonna wrap it up for today. Thank you so much for joining me on day 2 of my 30-day spring cleaning challenge. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow where we will be staying in the kitchen and deep cleaning all of my appliances. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow.